So I own this one tool that I use just about daily because it's kind of a game changer. And that is dun 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 dun, the still point inducer. I tell pretty much all of my clients about this, and now I'm telling you because this it's an amazing tool. Okay, and if you don't want to buy one of these, you can take 2 tennis balls and throw them in a sock and then tie the end and still have 2 bumps at the end to lay the back of your head on. Okay, so there's this nice squishy spot right above the neck and below the cranium. That's where you're going to want to place this, and you lay on the ground. I don't suggest the bed because the mattress isn't as firm as the ground. You want to lay on the ground and put these 2 bumps right at the squishy part right underneath the cranium and just lay there for about 3 to 5 minutes. And you might even feel, if you're very in tune to your body, you might even feel the shifting occurring. You might even notice you're taking a big deep breath. You might feel the reorganization and realigning of your nervous system. That's what this is for. So what it does is it induces what we call in craniosacral therapy a still point. And so your craniosacral rhythm should have this nice ebb and flow to it. But the problem is that we encounter a lot of trauma and drama, stress, impact, injury, illness, all lots of stuff in our life makes our rhythm kind of wonky, whether it's, fast or slow or big or small or all these different types of variations. So we want it to have this nice amplitude and rate and rhythm. And so what this does is it creates a still point. And so what a still point is, it's a pause of the craniosacral rhythm, allowing the system to just kind of stop and pause and just like recalibrate. And then it kind of corrects itself. And sometimes our body needs a few still points over and over in order to get that nice rhythm. But if you do this daily, you're basically giving your nervous system daily maintenance. So I would highly look on Amazon or check out the Upledger Institute, or just find some variation or create your own of a little still point inducer and lay on it every day, especially if you have migraines, especially if you had some kind of head trauma where you're not currently having a severity of it. Any kind of imbalance in your mood, any kind of imbalance in your thoughts, like anytime you're not feeling right, lay on the still point inducer for 3 to 5 minutes, see the change that occurs in your body, because it's quite fast and profound. I mean, this thing has like saved me and it has saved me daily, lots of different reasons. So I am a highly advocate for this, and so I'm trying to get the word out. Everyone should get or buy or make one of these, and treat your nervous system to the relief that it needs.